In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background on Slack video call. If you use Slack for quick catch-ups or team meetings, setting a background is an easy way to keep things professional, or add a touch of personality without showing everything behind you. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and I'll share a few helpful pointers to make it look great. First, join a Slack video call by clicking on Huddle at the top right of your Slack window. A huddle is Slack's lightweight call feature, and once you click it, the call window will pop up so you can connect with your team. The key is simply to be in a call before you change the background. When the call window appears, look for the video controls. Find the small caret or arrow right next to the video camera icon. This arrow opens more options related to your camera. Click that caret to expand the menu. From that menu, select Video Background. This opens Slack's background chooser, where you can browse the available options. You'll see a panel with different backgrounds you can apply to your video feed. Now, choose the background you like. As soon as you click one, Slack applies it in real time, so you can preview how it looks before continuing the conversation. Pick something subtle for a polished look, or go with a fun option if that suits the moment. If you change your mind, just select a different one the same way. That's it. Your background is set, and you can focus on the call. A couple of quick tips to make it look even better. Good front lighting helps any virtual background look cleaner, and sitting a bit farther from the camera can reduce edge artifacts. Keep your movement steady, and try to avoid very busy patterns on clothing, since those can confuse background processing. If you don't see the video background option, it may depend on your app version, device capabilities, or workspace settings. Backgrounds are most consistent on the desktop app, and some organizations limit certain visual effects. In that case, your regular video will still work just fine. To recap, join a huddle so you're in a call, click the caret next to the video icon, choose video background, and select the look you want. Quick, simple, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Slack call with a background that fits your style.